Tommy sir, all of you. सर यहाँ पे आपके राइट साइड टोमी सर, राइट साइड में। थैंक यू। धन्यवाद। वाकिंग भी है। थैंक यू।
Who's going to come and share his views about Viva in his impressive voice? Everyone, let's hear it for him.
Hi, good evening, everyone. First of all, I would say I'm pretty nervous because I saw such brilliant students giving such brilliant speeches. So I'm always I was always a backbencher. Though my mom was a professor in the college and she always wanted her son to be an engineer, which I became one. But I remember when I finished my degree, I told her that I want to become an actor, and I knew that I'm going to get scolding from her. But she said, if that's your dream, just go and fulfill it. And now you have to make it happen. So I think her faith in me, that brought me to this city where I never knew a single soul. And I took 1 year from her and I told that, in 1 year I'll do something, otherwise I'll come back to Punjab. But I would say, it's been 14 years and still trying to make my mark, but been blessed to work with the best of banners. And though she's not there, I lost her 5 years back. But I think her wishes made, I'm standing in front of you. I think it's all because of wishes and working on some good projects and hopefully, the dream which I saw many years back, I'll see that coming true and make her feel proud. But like seeing all of you, my son is also a part of your family, and I remember the first time I got him to the school. I met Kavita ma'am, Shim sir, and Kerala sir. And I knew, this is the right family I want to be, associated with. And I'm really blessed, really feel proud that I'm a part of this family. And now seeing all of you, and I think I would like him to go like you, and have those nice ties and those sharp suits, and maybe attend one of these. Functions. So I would really feel proud and wait for it to happen. But just want to wish all of you all the best. And I've always believed that if you respect your parents and if you worship them, all your dreams do come true. Apart from your books, apart from how much hard work you put in. So just believe that those prayers are going to make your dreams come true. So just love your parents and everything you'll achieve, whatever you dream of. So. On that note, I would like to say something about Viva. My association with Viva has been from 2010 when I was called for it, and it's a great youth festival. I remember when I attended as a judge of Viva Short through the lens, it was a competition. So the first Viva itself created such a buzz that there was. I remember there were 4 schools that participated in the first one, and then in Viva 5 had in 2013, we had 571 schools from 5 different states that took part. So I think it's such a big achievement for all of us. And each year I'm part of Viva as a parent, as a guest, as a chief guest sometimes, and I've watched that phenomenal growth. In the school sports and cultural festival, and it gives me immense pleasure, honor that I'm here to announce the launch of Viva 6 for the year 2014, and we have to make it a huge success. Yeah.
जी आई थिंक जब भी हम वापस ऐसी जगह पर आते हैं तो वापस अपने बचपने के अंदर वापस आ जाते हैं. रियली फेल्ट नाइस सबको देखकर इतने कमाल का कंपटीशन। आई थिंक जो नई जनरेशन है कुछ अलग ही लेवल की है, और जब भी हम इनसे मिलते हैं तो हमेशा हमें नर्वस कर देते हैं ये लोग।
बच्चे यहाँ पर आज थे?
नहीं, आज माई सन वॉज नॉट हेयर, बट ही स्टडीज इन विबग्योर, आज नहीं थे यहाँ पे।
स्कूल के वक्त की एक कोई शैतानी जो कभी जिस पर बहुत ज़्यादा डांट या मार भी पड़ी?
मुझे याद है कि मैंने एक बार स्कूल की जब छुट्टी होती है, जो बेल बजती है, तो मैंने एक बार प्रेस कर दी थी पहले ही, और मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ी थी। और इनफैक्ट जैसा मैंने बोला कि मेरे मदर खुद प्रोफेसर थे, तो उनसे भी बहुत डांट पड़ी थी कि एक टीचर का बच्चा होने के बावजूद तो ऐसी गलती कैसे कर सकता है। जी, दैट्स इट। थैंक यू सो मच ब्रदर।